Here's how to post to Pinterest with make.com step by step. Start by signing in to make.com. Once you are on the main dashboard, click Create a new scenario. This opens a blank scenario where you can add the app and action you want to use for your Pinterest post. In the scenario builder, click the plus button to add your first module. A search panel will appear. Type Pinterest into the search field, then choose the Pinterest module that fits the action you want to perform. This is the point where you tell make.com that the scenario will be working with your Pinterest account. After selecting the module, move to the connection field and click Create a connection. This starts the process of linking Pinterest to make.com so the scenario can send data to the right account. The connection setup window will open next. Enter a name for the connection so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage more than one account or return to this scenario in the future. You will also see an option for sandbox mode. Choose whether you want to use sandbox mode based on the setup you are working with, and then click Save. Once you save the connection settings, make.com will prompt you to authorize access through Pinterest. Sign in to your Pinterest account if you are not already signed in, then review the access request and approve it. Make sure you authorize the correct Pinterest account before continuing, since the scenario will post to whichever account is connected here. When the connection is active, return to the Pinterest module configuration. Now select the Pinterest board where the pin should be published. Then fill in the required details for the pin, enter the title, add the description, choose the image you want to use, and provide the destination URL. Take a moment here to confirm that each field contains the content you want attached to the post, because this information is what Pinterest will publish. With the module configured, test the setup by clicking Run once. Make.com will process the scenario and attempt to create the pin using the values you entered. Give it a moment to complete, then check the result in make.com to verify that the pin was created successfully. If the run completes as expected, the connection and module settings are in place. The last part is turning the scenario into an active automation. Save the scenario so your current configuration is stored, then switch the scenario on. Once it is on, make.com will be ready to post to Pinterest automatically using this scenario and the Pinterest connection you just created. Your make.com scenario is now connected to Pinterest, tested, and turned on for automatic posting.